shift operations. Okay, what exactly the shift operation is? Shifting, shifting is to move all the bits in register to left or the right. Why shifting? Because shifting are the easiest method to do the multiplication or the division. How? We will see. Shifts by a constant amount. Okay, if I'm going to do a shift register with a constant amount like, okay, shift with 2, shift with 4, shift with 8. So then we have these three commands: shift logical left, okay, shift right logical, okay, and shift right arithmetic. 3, shift left logical, shift right logical, and shift right arithmetic. And what is the difference of these three, we will see here. Okay, again, shift LL means shift left logical, shift right logical. Okay, shift left and right logical.
So we will take the letter in the middle. If it's L, it's left. If it's R, it's
Yeah,
right.
it's right. Okay. SRA mean the arithmetic shift. Okay.
What does mean?
Yeah, this is I'm going to tell you. Okay. Again, the sign bit. What is the sign bit? Always the most significant bit is your sign bit in sign number. Okay. Rather than 0 is shifted from the left. Okay. Let's suppose first we are going to see the logical shift. Logical shift, either the right, either the left. Okay, logical. So let's suppose I have a register. This is my register. Let's suppose. Okay. How many bits? I don't take how many bits. I'm just taking the value. Let's suppose these bits are 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, whatever the bits it are. Okay, let's go. And someone asked me to do the logical left shift. Logical left shift by one place. So logical left shift mean we are going to shift our register left side. Okay, so our all values will be shifted this way. All values will be shifted this way. So this place will be empty because we are shifting this value to this way. Okay, what would be my, if it is shifted by one place? So what I will get the result?
Yeah.
Okay. So this first is these values are shifted one place left. So it will start from here. 1 1 1 1 1 0. This will be discarded because it's left shifted. So this one is khalas discarded.
So
this is empty. So here what will come? Here it will come like 0. Whenever you are going to shift here, always in our least significant bit will become 0. So this is our new shifted value. Got it?
Yeah. So
this is shift logical shift left.
So on the right it will be the same but different, like
different. Yeah. Same if I'm going to do the right shift with this. So what will happen? Just tell me the result. Okay.
The first one it will be 0.
Okay. We are going to this way. We have to move this way.
So it will be 0.
Like this way. Okay.
Yeah.
The first will be
0.
0. What?
0.
No. Here.
1.
Yeah. Here it should be 1.
0.
Should be 0.
1.
1.
1.
1. 1. 1. 1. And you know how much bit it is, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 already. So this is no need for this. So this value this last bit is discarded. Okay, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So this is also, so this one bit is discarded. So back then here we will accumulate the 0. So that's why 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these are the
and the other one is empty.
Yeah, these two are the empty. Okay. So here it will be, this will be your result. Okay. Sorry, you are not for this.
No, it's the other direction that's empty.
What?
Right?
What you are saying? You didn't get it? Let me.
No, I get it.
Yeah. Say, just let me show you. It would be like it's shifted by like this. Let's draw the 7. Let's draw first 7 bits. Okay. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are the 7. Okay, we are going to shift right. Okay, so these values are shifted right. So this will be discarded. This first one will be discarded. So how it is turned off? This one will come here. This one will come here. This one will come here. this one will come here, this one will come here, this 0 will come here, this one will come here. So so what here it will become here 0 because this one is discarded, right shifted, so here it will come 0. So this is our new value. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Then we have the arithmetic shift. Arithmetic shift are the same, but you have to see the last bit, okay? No, say do the same operation for the arithmetic, okay? First, let me draw the register.
Arithmetic is always right.
Most significant bit. So your most significant bit, this one, okay? It will stay here. What is most significant bit? It is 1. It is 1. It will be stay here. But these all other values like this same will copy here. So it will start from here again. This one will again come here.
It's like
it will copy here again.
1 0
1 0
1 1
1 1 1 1. This one will be
So
discarded.
instead of 0 it will be 1.
No, just you have to think the most significant bit. Whatever your most significant bit is, just instead of 0 put that here in sign bit. If it is 0, just put it 0 here. Copy that 0 here. If it is 1, just copy that. All other are the same. Okay. See, this value is same. Similar, this value will come here.
Okay.
This one is discarded, shifted.
For example, let's say they gave me like 0 1 1